configure ShadCN inside your project. So we just search for ShadCN and just click on ShadCN UI. And what is ShadCN? ShadCN is a set of beautifully designed, accessible component and code distribution platform. Work with our favorite frameworks, open source and open code. So let's get started. And I click on installation, select for I will create for Next.js, so I selected and Next.js. Now just here we have run init command to create a Next.js project or set up the existing project. So I already have existing project, so I will set up inside my existing project. So clear all, just paste it. So it's showing the component JSON file already. I already have this file, so no. First, I will delete this. Inside components.js here. So I delete it and I'll again run it, please. So I want to neutral and everything will be done. So project initialization completed. You may now add components. So now we just add some components. First, go inside the SketchN and inside components where you have many components. So first, we use from the example just now. We'll add the button inside our project. So copy this, paste it here. There are a few moments. Let's see. Checking registry and storing dependencies, updating files, all done. Now you just need to follow the ShadCN manual. Just import this button from component user interface button because we have a component file inside our project. Let's see. We have component file and inside component we have user interface and button. This section just add code inside your project which is already written. So you just need to import it inside your project. So now let's see here. Import button in I copy I'll copy this and paste inside my page. And here I want to space see paste it. Oh, no problem. Just copy it this only and paste it here. After that we can just follow this and you will see the result. Click here. Now I will start my project. So pnpm run there. Just a moment. So network, I think I have already one port open inside, but I don't know. So we use this Open. Wait for a moment. And just now. See what's happening inside of the what is ShadCN and you see from ShadCN we can add any edge we want. As we see we have registry. What is the registry? Registry. You can use ShadCN client from your component registry running your own registry allow you to distribute your customer. So let's see. It already come now. See here we have button. So just using ShadCN we can import components and use it. We don't need to write any manually codes. So thanks.